Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Let's see what happens. What happened? No fizz.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, that's anticlimactic.
Yeah, no fizz. What's the plenty? It's like ginger beer.
A little, yeah.
It's not fizzy. I think we should drink it.
Okay, well I emptied out the jug rinse right there. So I'm just gonna...
Let's taste a bit of it and just by itself. Alright, let's see what happens. I'll just pour a little off so we can taste it.
Looks like it's fizzly. A little bit.
No, it should go like pop, but effervescent.
So what's the difference between kombucha? Oh, it's got that kefir stuff in it. This is just of its own accord.
Yeah, but you're supposed to be able to do that with ginger root too.
Mmm.
Just have the flavor.
Oh wow. Yummy. That's probably how it should be drunk, really, like Gatorade. If you had it just pure, I would imagine you would just knock yourself out with all that sugar.
And yeah, it's too acidy too.
Yeah. So it's got the dad seal of approval?
Yeah, it's like it's like lemonade, but with lemon and ginger. And,
Gingerade.
yeah, so it's a little more refreshing.